this video I will show you how you can add a rainfall behind a complex window frames such as this one. We are going to Photopea, import the image into Photopea. For it to work, it's important that we have a high contrast between the window frame and the background. So now what we're gonna do, we go to select and press on color range and press on the frame. Basically what it does, it selects dark pixels of the image and then move fuzziness and see whenever we have a nice clear contrast between the background, which is black color, and our frame, which is white. Well, I would say let's leave it like that. Press OK. We made a selection, then go to select, go to inverse, go here, press a new layer. Then let's find a brush tool. Make sure opacity and flow is at 100%. Right click, make sure hardness is at 100% as well, and adjust the size of the brush. And what you have to do is just paint over the window area where the rain's supposed to happen. Now, if you paint outside the window, don't worry, we can easily fix that later. If you have any kind of objects, just make sure to go around them. Okay, selection is done, then we can go to select, deselect. And because this part of the window doesn't have a frame, I can easily just paint it over with a black color. Great, then we hide the background. By hiding it, you can even see all the imperfections. You can brush a bit more. And now we save it by going to File, Export As, and make sure it's PNG. And press Save. And now in our Davinci Resolve, we have to make a couple steps. It's really simple. I have my rainfall. I'll drag the rainfall on the third line, and below it, I will add that window frame that we selected. Then what we do, select the rain, go to composite modes here in inspector video and change it to foreground. Then select the window frame and we change composite mode to alpha. Now what we made is that the rain appears already in the frame, and because I didn't paint perfectly, we have to clean up, and that we can fix very easily. We select the rain video, we go to color, we press add alpha output, we connect blue to blue, and then we go to window here and then select on a pen tool. What I'm gonna do, I will simply select just the main frame of the window. Okay, perfect. As you can see, the rain now appears only inside this selected area, but I still have a few raindrops on this frame here, and that I can fix so easy. I create another mask like that, and I will press on this button that says invert selection, and then I will create one more mask. Specifically here. If you zoom in, you will see a few drops going in, as you can see here, and then if I press invert, it's clean. Simple as that. I'll go back to edit mode. We select the rainfall and the window frame. Right click, create new compound clip, and now we have to remove the black color by selecting screen. And here we go. And simple as that. Once you understand the technique, it literally takes just a couple minutes to do that.